All right, let's take you to this now. Earlier, we took you live to a court matter in Durban involving a murder in the AKA and Tibz case. The matter has now been stood down. Let's get the latest from our reporter, Simphiwe Makanya. Simphiwe, a very good morning to you. So earlier on, of course, we heard from the various legal minds about why this matter should stand down, ideally centered around the Eswatini matter. Just take us through what happened in court today.
Well, Unati, our viewers would recall that in the AKA matter, 5 accused are in fact expected to appear here at the Durban Magistrate Court. But what we have just seen a short while ago is the appearance of 2 accused in a completely different matter. But of course, one of those accused is linked to the AKA matter, and his name is Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi. That is why the magistrate kept on referring, to the pending extradition ruling that is expected to come from Eswatini. Let me now, Unati, engage our legal experts just to unpack this particular matter in terms of where we are legally. Thank you so much, Abigail, as always, for your time. Explain to us where we are in this particular matter. Very confusing.
Okay, the one that we have today with the 2 accused persons, one is Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi, the second one is a certain Kosan. So what is happening now is that accused number 3 and 4 are the Ndimande brothers who are at Eswatini, subject to the extradition process that is happening there. That's how it's appearing as if these matters are linked, but these are 2 different matters. This is a matter of a certain businessman around Durban. Accused number 2, who's Kosane here, is waiting for bail, but Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi is out on bail in this one, but is in custody on the one of AKA matter. So the reason why the magistrate stood this matter down, as well as that of the AKA matter, is the fact that the extradition appeal in Eswatini affects this one and it affects the other one.
So what about the 5 accused who were initially expected to appear on the AKA matter then?
The AKA matter with 5 accused is not yet called on the roll. They called this murder case with 2 accused here, 2 then Ndimande brothers to be added. So in total, it's 4 accused matters and accused persons on this one. But on the AKA one, it's 5 accused persons. If we add the 2 Ndimande brothers, it's going to be 7. So what seems to be a link between the 2 is that the 3 accused persons, I'm counting the 2 Ndimande brothers and Eswatini and Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi, who is here before this court, are linked in this one, and they're also linked on the other one. So the state handled this one first prior to handling the AKA one man. And prior to us being here today, this matter has been running, but it has not been broadcasted. It has been running concurrently with the AKA one matter, but it has not been broadcasted. The confusion could have been that it's for the first time it's coming into the public domain, but it's been coming to court without broadcasting.
Is it therefore correct to say that one of the accused in this matter, who is Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi, is also an accused in the AKA matter?
Yes, that's correct. Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi is one of the accused persons in the AKA matter, is also an accused person in this one. And you'll remember during bail application, this case kept on being referred to prove the exceptional circumstances if they exist, and if the interest of justice does allow his release on the AKA matter on bail is concerned. So this matter came on, and it was already being talked about. It's just that it has never been broadcasted, it has never been in the public domain, and it does not necessarily relate to the AKA matter, but the accused persons are the same.
Thank you so much for it.
Thank you.
There is our legal expert there, Unati, giving us a sense of what has transpired and also what we can expect, as of course we await that court ruling in Eswatini with regards to the extradition of the 2 accused persons who are expected to be joining the 5 accused on the AKA matter trial. Back to you in Johannesburg, Unati.
Simphiwe, thank you so much for that clarity. It did get a little confusing a little bit earlier on, but thank you so much for clarifying. Of course, all eyes on that matter then in Eswatini. All right.